If you're tired of feeling tired, dragging yourself through the day, and wondering why you just can't seem to shake that constant fatigue, you're not alone. Millions of people experience low energy, sluggishness, and even brain fog, and often the culprit is hiding in your blood, specifically, your red blood cells. But don't worry, because today, we're diving into the fascinating world of red blood cells, and I promise you'll walk away with some cool science facts and practical tips to boost your energy from the inside out. So if you love learning about how your body works and want to feel more vibrant, alert, and alive, you'll want to stick around for this one. Imagine waking up every morning feeling refreshed, motivated, and ready to take on the world. That's what happens when your body is running at full power, and a big part of that comes down to your red blood cells. Ready to boost your blood cells the smart way? Let's unlock the secrets to more energy, better focus, and a healthier you, using science-backed strategies that anyone can try. Let's jump in. Your red blood cells are like tiny oxygen taxis, zipping through your body at incredible speeds. Their main job? To pick up oxygen from your lungs and deliver it to every single cell in your body, from your brain to your toes. Without enough red blood cells, your organs and muscles don't get the oxygen they need, and that's when you start to feel tired, weak, and even a little moody. Think of your red blood cells as the ultimate delivery service. Without them, your body's energy supply chain grinds to a halt. But how do you make more of these microscopic powerhouses? That's the million-dollar question. Your body is constantly producing new red blood cells in your bone marrow, but sometimes, it needs a little help. Whether you're recovering from illness, training hard at the gym, or just want to feel your best, there are proven ways to give your red blood cell production a serious boost. Let's break down the science and see how you can take control of your energy levels starting today. First, let's talk about iron. Iron is absolutely essential for making red blood cells. Think of it as the VIP pass your body needs to build those oxygen-carrying cells. Without enough iron, your body simply can't produce healthy red blood cells, and you might start to feel tired, short of breath, or even dizzy. Iron is the key ingredient in hemoglobin, the protein inside red blood cells that grabs onto oxygen and carries it through your bloodstream. If you're low on iron, your red blood cells can't do their job, and your energy levels take a nosedive. So how do you get more iron? It's all about what you eat. Load up on foods like spinach, beans, lentils, and red meat. These are packed with iron and can help your body make more red blood cells. Don't forget about other iron-rich foods like tofu, chickpeas, pumpkin seeds, and even dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. Dark chocolate contains iron so you can satisfy your sweet tooth and help your blood at the same time. If you're vegetarian or vegan, focus on plant-based sources of iron, but remember that your body absorbs iron from animal products more easily. To boost absorption from plant foods, pair them with vitamin C-rich foods like oranges, strawberries, or bell peppers. Next up, vitamin B12 and folic acid. These two nutrients are like the construction crew for your blood. They help your body build new red blood cells from scratch, and without them, your production line slows down. Vitamin B12 is especially important for your nervous system and for making DNA, the blueprint for every cell in your body. Folic acid, also known as vitamin B9, works hand-in-hand with B12 to keep your blood healthy and your energy levels high. If you're low in either of these, you might feel tired, weak, or even notice changes in your mood or memory. Think of B12 and folic acid as the skilled workers on a busy construction site, building new red blood cells day and night. Without enough of these nutrients, the whole project slows down, and your body can't keep up with the demand for fresh, healthy blood. That's why it's so important to make sure you're getting enough of both, especially if you follow a vegetarian or vegan diet, since B12 is mostly found in animal products. So, where can you find these blood-building nutrients? Eggs, dairy products like milk and cheese, and leafy green vegetables are all great sources. If you're vegan, look for fortified plant milks, breakfast cereals, and nutritional yeast, which are often enriched with B12. For folic acid, load up on leafy greens like spinach and kale, beans, lentils, and citrus fruits. If you're concerned about your levels, talk to your doctor about supplements. They can help fill in the gaps and keep your blood production running smoothly. And don't forget exercise. Physical activity is one of the most powerful ways to stimulate your body to make more red blood cells. When you exercise, your muscles use more oxygen, and your body responds by ramping up red blood cell production to keep up with the demand. Whether you love jogging in the park, hitting the gym for a group fitness class, cycling outdoors, or lifting weights, every bit of movement helps. Even brisk walking or dancing in your living room can make a difference. Think of exercise as sending your bone marrow a "more please" text message. Every time you get your heart pumping, you're telling your body, hey, we need more oxygen down here. Your bone marrow gets the message and starts cranking out new red blood cells to meet the demand. Over time, regular exercise can actually increase your total blood volume and make your body more efficient at delivering oxygen, so you feel less tired and more energetic throughout the day. The result? More red blood cells, more energy, and more of the best version of you. Imagine having the stamina to power through your workday, crush your workouts, and still have energy left over for friends, family, and fun. That's the power of healthy blood, and it's within your reach. When your red blood cell count is up, you'll notice better focus, improved mood, and even a stronger immune system. It's like unlocking a new level of health and vitality. Here's a wild fact. Did you know that in just 1 second your body creates about 2 million new red blood cells? That's right. Every single heartbeat, your bone marrow is hard at work, producing a fresh supply of these tiny oxygen carriers. Over the course of a day, that adds up to trillions of new cells, all working together to keep you energized and healthy. Your body is an incredible machine, and when you give it the right fuel, it rewards you with more energy, better performance, and a greater sense of well-being. So, the next time you're feeling tired, remember, your body is working overtime to keep you going, and a few simple changes can make a world of difference. Excited? Want more science-powered hacks to boost your health, energy, and performance? Hit subscribe and join our community of curious minds. Every week we share the latest tips, tricks, and discoveries to help you feel your best, inside and out. Give your cells the boost they deserve and let's unlock your full potential together. Remember, small changes add up to big results, so start today and watch your energy soar. Thanks for watching, and here's to a healthier, more energetic you.